Hey guys, in today's video I would like to tell you a little bit about how to become a data analyst, and this is something that I came to all by myself. I'm a physicist by education, and I was not really certain which profession do I really want for my life and which profession would be both interesting, well paid and universal, where I can be hired anywhere on the planet. So first things first, I think that if you have a diploma of some, mathematics or informatics or economics, econometrics, physics, something like that, something related to the numbers, a bit of programming maybe natural science, or even an engineer, I think that this all can be kind of transformed into the data analyst. Just because if you're good with numbers, but even if you're not very, very good with numbers, as I am, then you can still become a data analyst. In different companies, this job can actually mean different things, and it can have a broad range of duties. For example, in one of my previous jobs, I used to do a lot of web analysis, including a little bit of front-end stuff, because I used to work a bit with console and Chrome and so forth. But in the other office, I used to do more of databases, some visualization based on combining many databases in data warehouse and using of Tableau software. I think you should first look around and see what is out there in your city or in the city where you want to move, and just check, just open the descriptions of data analyst or business analyst jobs and read what they actually require from you, because it may be that you already have all of the skills necessary, but it may be that you actually lack of some skill. Like for example, I can tell you that the skills that you really must have while being a data analyst is, well, understanding your numbers and having an understanding of mathematics. Even though you will not be brilliant, that's not a problem. Brilliant mathematicians can do some, complicated modeling of some stuff and so forth. But if you just want to analyze the data and visualize the data, and you just understand what's going on the picture. If you see a chart or some diagram, that's already good enough. You may not need it, but my first job actually required it. It is the use of Excel. I hate Excel, seriously, honestly. This is just, that's my nightmare still. But actually with use of Excel, you can kind of perform very big variety of cool tasks which you may be required to do. So it is not such a terrible option. So make sure that you know how to get around, have some kind of a training before finding your job as a data analyst, because it will be quite a shame if they will tell you, hey, this is an Excel file, please do the count if or some other function, and you will not understand what's going on. So it's better do it beforehand. The second skill is SQL, and this is cool and easy, and well, there is probably no job on the planet of data analyst job without this requirement. So make sure you learn something, and I already mentioned in one of the videos before. Then of course it will be very big bonus if you will learn one of the programming languages, which will save your ass while visualizing some data, is either R or Python, or you may just use one of the special applications, like for example Tableau that I used to use before. There are easier ways and harder ways to visualize your data, to understand your data, and I'm pretty sure that you will decide to become a data analyst. You will just dig in all of these communities or all of this mailing lists. I will link a couple of them down below, where you can get a lot of support, plenty of feedback, and you will not be alone with your problem. You will not stay with it one-on-one. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.